So hey guys, it's Dustin and I'm back with a new video. So today in this video we are going to be solving some code forces problems. Okay, before you make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more content like this. Yeah, so let's get started. So let's do two problems, factorial and this one because they are having low accuracy. Let's try to submit that. So yeah, we have opened the problem page. So let's read it. In sales restaurant, a waiter is training. Since the waiter is in good at arithmetic, sometimes he gives guess wrong change. Sale gives a simple problem. What is a minus b? Okay. Surprisingly, his answer has to be more precise. This answer has to be exactly one wrong digit. Can you imagine this? Can you make the same mistake in the problem? Input two integers a and b. Print the wrong answer of a minus b. Here we are given input of 5858 and 1234. The correct answer is 4624 if you minus them, but we need to print 2624 4324 like that, because here um, 624 is same and there is only one digit different, and he is saying that leading zeros are not allowed. Okay, and there should be same number of digits, so 624 is not allowed because it is 3 digits and the answer is 4 digits. So we need to print that is one digit different. Okay, let's try this out. You got the question right? Let's try it out. So standard C++ .h. Okay, rename this std, we all know that. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, x, now x equal to absolute of a minus b, means we are getting the positive value of x. Let's see if x mod 10 equals 9. If last digit is 9, um, we are going to print x minus 1, else we are going to print x plus 1, because if last digit is 9, when we increment, uh, if the answer was 9999, if we increment we get 10000, that is 5 digits. The answer might be wrong, so if last digit is 9 we will decrement, else we will increment. Okay, so let's see, submit. This is a pretty easy problem if you ask me. Just requires some thinking, but yeah, better than codechef, codeforce easy problems. So let's see. If you did not understand this question, ask me in the comments guys, I'll explain you, but I hope that you all understand this. Yeah, so we got the correct answer in the first go. So it was simple. If the number mod 10 was equal to 9, we'll print x minus 1, else x plus 1, because it will give one digit different, and rest all the digits will have the same order. So that's this question guys. Let's see the another question. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Okay, well, this question is very big today, so I'll just explain what they have given. they are giving us an integer n. We need to find how many uh, trailing zeros are there in that factorial of that n. Suppose if n equal to 3, we need to find number of trailing zeros in 3 factorial. If n equal to 60, we need to find number of zeros in 60 factorial, like that. So we are given n number of test cases, then followed by n test cases. We need to print it like this. So basically what we do is, to find the trailing zeros, we need to find number of 5s or number of 2s into 5s. Suppose if you take number 10, it has one trailing 0 and it has 1 2 and 1 5. Okay, um yeah, so let's take 7. So in the 7 factorial would be 5040. We all know that it has one trailing 0, and if you do 7 factorial, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, we are having 1 5. That means we are having at the end 1 0. So we need to find how many 5's are there in our problem. That would be the answer. If you see 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, there is no 5. So it's like um, 0. Oh, here 0. 60 factorial 100, we cannot compute that, so let's write a program. um, let's see. So let me just make it big for you guys. Okay, I mean, we know this, right? So we are now taking number of test cases. So let's give a variable count to count number of 5's in the given factorial of a number. Then long x, I mean, we are taking the numbers, right? So c in x now equal to 5 x divided by I greater than or equal to 1 and I star equal to 5. I mean, for every 5, 25, 75, you are checking. So 5 into 25, sorry, 5, 25, 125, 5 cube, not 75. 5, 25, 5 cube, 5 power 4, 5 power 5, like that. So for every those numbers we are checking. um, count equals to count plus equals to x by um, now we are checking if 5 is there or not in that number. We are checking if 25 is there or not in that number. We are checking if 125 is there or not in that number, and we are incrementing count by that number by the value of 5. Suppose if you take 100, we'll check for 5. Okay, 20, so count will be 20, because we are taking 100 factorial. Then we'll check for 25. 100 by 25 is 4. So 20 plus 4, 24. Count would be 24. And there is no 125 in 100. So for 25, the output should be 24. Wait, I think we have input and output here. Let's see if my code is correct, my thinking. For 100, yeah, see. So for 100, we have got the output as 24 as per this code. So let's see, it will work, I guess. See out. Sorry guys, and or it means 0. So you got the logic, right? What we did here. I mean, if you did not understand, I'll still explain you in the comments if you have doubts. But I explained it pretty clear. Let me explain that again. Suppose we take the input as 100. That means we are counting. We are searching in 100 factorial. That means for int I equal to 5, x by I greater than or equal to 1, I star equal to 5. Every time we are checking for the powers of 5. Okay. So 100 in 100 we have 5, right? 100 by 5 is what? 20. So count will be 20. Then I is equal to I into 5. That means 5 into 5, that is 25. Now 100 by 25 would be 4. So count would be 20 plus 4, 24. And there is no 125 in 100. I mean, that's why the loop condition will also fail. 100 by 125 is never greater than or equal to 1. So we are having the count as 24. That means there are 24 trailing zeros in 100 factorial. Hope you got it, guys. I mean, let's try and submit this, because first let's run on their test case, see if we have any problems, because I don't want to mess with the accuracy of the problem. So let's see. Okay, it's successfully 0 14 24 253 5861 21 something. So 0 14 24 2, yeah, we got the correct answer, guys. Let's submit this one. Yeah, I want to submit that. Yeah, guys, we got the correct answer. So hope you like my videos, guys. Share and subscribe my channel. If you have doubts, ask me in the comment section. I'll reply to you as soon as possible, and tell me what you need next. So bye guys, let's see you in the next video.